Hey everyone, so what I'm doing on my model's hair is I'm creating a disconnected haircut. And I'm going relatively short using a one guard, and I'm just going up to the line of disconnection. And we're leaving a little bit of length on top. He kind of liked the length. But this is going to be a gem of a video because we are transforming his hair color. So now I'm just blow drying it to get it dry. And now I'm actually combing in a lightener. Now, keep in mind, I am a professional, but this is a great technique if you're looking to, what you may know as bleach, or lighten the hair. So I'm really just combing it straight on. And believe it or not, when you're doing these types of techniques or trying to lighten your hair yourself, using a wide tooth comb actually gets the product through very, very nicely and gives it really, really good coverage. You just want to make sure that it's fully, fully saturated. Of course, there's numerous things that go into lightening someone's hair. The advantage here is that he already had, light hair to begin with. The lighter the hair, naturally, the better and lighter it's going to come. So for all you people who have like dark brown or black hair and want to have this hair color, do it at your own risk. It's going to take numerous times to do it. You have to lighten it to a very, very pale blonde, yellowish type color. And you can see we did like the kind of unique, the lighting in here was a bit warm, however, but we went for a nice platinum blonde. As you can see, his hair's in really, really great condition still. And yeah, so it came out really great. And I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, here's the before and here's the after. And again, do this at your own risk. If you are attempting to do this yourself, or go see a professional. If you want to use any of my products like Tidal Wave or Talc, which is great for this video for this type of hair, use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com.